Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Guess the Animal. Today we've got a fun challenge for you. I'll show you a set of emojis on the screen. Each set is a clue for an animal. You'll have 10 seconds to think of your answer, and then I'll reveal the animal. Comment your answers down below and see how many you can get right. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you guess the animal? Perfect, it's a butterfly. Do you have any ideas? That's right, it's a dolphin. Can you guess this one? It's a donkey. Can you identify this animal? You guessed it right. It's a deer. Find Marty among the emojis. Next one. Bravo! It's an elephant. Do you know the name of this animal? Yes, it's a bulldog. Can you remember the name of this animal? You got it right. It's a tiger. What about this one? Great, it's an eagle. Question 10. What animal is this? It's not that difficult, right? It's cricket. What is the name of this animal? It's a bat. Can you guess which animal this is? Yeah, it's a monkey. Find the leopard. Next one. That's right, it's a rhino. I think you know this animal. Great. That's a catfish. What do you think about it? What is this animal? It's a seahorse. Next guess. Bravo, it's a panda. Which animal could this be? The answer is goldfish. Can you guess this one? Kangaroo. Can you guess the hidden animal? Amazing, that's the squirrel. Do you know the name this animal? Great! That's a rabbit. Find the odd out emoji. Can you identify this animal? You guessed it right. It's a raccoon. Can you guess the hidden animal? Amazing. That's the penguin. That's it for today's challenge. How many animals did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this game, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun quizzes like this.